How to fix Snapchat suspicious login. So, there's a few reasons why the Snapchat app can show the suspicious login thing. So, either someone tried to log in from a new device for some reason, an IP address or location, but maybe it's just you doing so. Too many failed login attempts can trigger a temporary lock or block, and Snapchat may block certain networks like VPNs for security reasons. So to fix this, you can try changing your password immediately. If you suspect your account is compromised, you can go to the Snapchat settings or your profile, go to the top left, it should be right here, and then the cog, which is in the top right, and then your password. So you can set another password by using a combination of lowercase and uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols. So put in a new password and then confirm your password. You can also try saving login info on your device if you want that. But if you finish doing that, try terminating unknown sessions as well in your Snapchat settings, still here. And if you finish with your password, verify your email and phone number as well. So just go ahead to the My Account option over here and try verifying those one by one if it does ask you for verification as well. You can also try switching networks. So if you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. Turn off any VPNs when you're logging in, since a VPN can trigger suspicious activity detection. And if you can't fix it yourself, you can always go ahead and try contacting Snapchat supports. Go to the Snapchat I need help or support page. You should be able to find it in the help center. So in the top, you'll be able to see a search settings. Just go ahead and press on help or type in help, and then go to the help center. There you can select the option the my account is compromised, or if you think someone else accessed it, provide your email, username, and explain the suspicious login issue in detail, and you should be able to be free from the suspicion login error, and they can try and fix it for you. But that's pretty much most of the ways you can try to fix the Snapchat suspicious login. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.